Good evening, everyone. I am an Amazon influencer, and if you are too, I'm going to share with you tonight about Viral Vue that can help you not only save time but earn more money. Viral Vue has changed the game for me, and I know that it is changing the lives and businesses of so many other influencers because I can even just see it in the Facebook group that we're in. So, first of all, Viral Vue is a platform, but it has so many different tools. Like, I can't even, I'm trying to summarize like what it is. But so Viral View has new features being dropped all the time. It's run by two brothers. And I really genuinely think that they care about their subscribers because I have felt nothing but, you know, just good vibes and everything from the beginning. They take time to answer, your questions in the Facebook group. They have even called, you can book a call when they had that, and they actually called me. Like, I put in my information and I actually got a call from Cade Peterson, which was like pretty cool. Pretty cool. And so it just lets me know that I'm just not like, first of all, let me say that this is the highest subscription that I've had. So there's that. So it has to be worth it for me to have had it since September. I believe I started in September. But there are different tiers. Don't worry about that. There are different tiers. I am in the pro plan because I just have seen so much value in it. And I'm going to share with you some screenshots of that tonight, as well as share with you my code, my affiliate code for you to sign up. And that will be in the description under this video in the details. So let's get into it and let me show you what you will have access to if you get the pro plan. I'll show you what I'm doing. First of all, and also let me just say that I have made more with Viral View than I had all year prior to me signing up. So there's that. There, let me just leave that right there. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is just show you when you log in, you're going to see this getting started. You can say don't show this again, but it is very helpful. As you can see, the web app, connecting to Amazon, quick start, billing and plans, support guides, all very helpful. And then I'm just going to hover over the left sidebar and you can see what these different tools are. Y'all, there is so much value. I don't have time to go through it all. I can't believe this video is going to be as long as it is. So I really can't go through everything. One of the most, well, two important things, well, really three. So there's so much value here. The media kit is one of the newest features that just dropped. Really cool. Helps you to be, more visible and also, show as legit with brands. Another cool thing is you can scan your Amazon orders. You don't have to go through your whole house and be like, oh, did I get this from Amazon? You can scan your orders, guys, and it'll tell you the viral score even of that. They have beta for TikTok. I have definitely used that for ad codes and different things like that. So much value. Okay, so this is what the media kit looks like. It's pretty exciting. This is one of my favorite new features, and you can see a bunch of data. I love how it's put together and curated here. You can set these cards and sections to private if you want, or public. You can see how many items I have sold. You can see my earnings there when a brand wants to look. They can see how much revenue I've helped to generate, and they can see how many videos I have completed. So when I go and say, hey, can I get a sample? They know I'm not just playing around. They know I don't just have 2 videos out there and I'm just trying to get a bunch of free products. They can see that I have helped and that I enjoy doing this. They can see how long I've been active. They can see my email if they want to get in contact with me that way. But most importantly, they can see that my data has been verified. So that's another cool feature. So what I'm going to show you now is how I verify that data. And this is one of the pages in the background. Now, if you are an Amazon associate, you will probably just have one, which is offsite, which is how I started. And then I was invited to be an influencer, which I then got an on-site tracking ID as well. So you can see that this is my combined report. You can see like clicks, how many, clicks I have driven to my Amazon storefront, or clicks from content that has been posted across Amazon, wherever they post it on site. You can see how many items I have helped to ship, how many have been returned, what my conversion rate is, earnings. You can see it group by. You can do none. You can do by date. You can do by campaign if you were to look in your creator connections to see. And then this is how I verify my data. This little Viral Vue bar right here. I would say, request, see how many ASINs additional. And here we have 11 on my on-site. I had 0 on my off-site. And then I would do it for these buttons as well. And this is how my data is going to be refreshed inside the Viral Vue app. This is what Creator Connections looks like, sort of. I blurred out some things because I don't want to get in trouble, but you can see how many campaigns there are to choose from in these and to possibly get a brand deal. Okay. Viral Vue has made this so much easier for me, guys. Like, I am so overjoyed. You don't understand. I mean, now you probably understand it because you can see it's 520,203 campaigns, and this is changing like by the minute. And so that's exciting, but it can be overwhelming, especially if you are a new influencer and you have no idea what you're doing. So, what this is, you will see this for your offsite, I should say. It's more tied to your offsite. That's how you would log into it over here in the menu bar. But accelerated, accept campaigns, open product view, and open campaign view. These are going to be your best friend when it comes to brand deals. I'm telling you, because of their platform and software and technology and what all the tools that they've put together, it helps you accept campaigns. I was missing out on so much money and I was feeling so discouraged, guys. Like, you can see I started January 2025. I was an associate before that and I did not generate sales in time. But they gave me another chance. I won't get into the personal thing that happened, but they gave me another chance, and I have been in the program ever since, and now am an influencer. And so Creator Connections is a way to maximize your earnings. I'm telling you, like, if you can get samples, even if you buy something, there are times where I'm looking for something and I'll just come and see if they even have a campaign for it. So even if I don't get it for free and I invest my own money, it helps you pick the best products. I think it took me so long to even start earning is because I was buying what I wanted, or I was reviewing what was in my house, but that wasn't necessarily what was in demand. This helps you just even buy a viral score to give you some idea of the demand. Is it trending? Even if it's not trending, but is it in demand? Is it a steady, like, in demand product? And then you probably already have content surrounding it, and it goes in and scans and accept those campaigns on your behalf. Oh my goodness. And then if you're just even looking for, you maybe not have anything in mind, so you want to just search. So you want to do a product view, or you want to open campaign view and see which, campaign may have the highest commissions. You may want to try to go for that and maybe get a free sample for that. There's also a message feature here where you can message brands, as well as it tied back to your Viral Vue app, where you can have control over, maintaining your brand deals. Like, you can put it into, like, it's pending versus all the way to completed. And that has made it so much easier as well. So this is a really cool feature. This is what saves time. This is what is going to help earn you the most money, because if you can get a campaign that gives you a high commission and you work that thing, you can have some, pretty cool profits. So I am just building up. I'm a couple months into my subscription, but I can tell you that I have earned way more with way more with Viral Vue than I did ever on my own. It is so worth the investment. So I will share my code at the end if you want to give it a try. But I'm telling you, it is so worth the money. Look at the brand deal screen. You can see total deals, total product value, received product value, total fees earned, total fees pending. You can see the product name, the image, the ASIN, the parent ASIN, meaning that if there are different variations, for example, a brand of sunglasses could have red, blue, white, and you could tie your product to the parent ASIN so it shows, your video shows on that carousel. You can see that, how many you have new, how many you have all together, pending, negotiating, confirmed. I haven't updated this in a while. I need to do some work. But you can see how easy it is to track. You can see they have also added this new feature, add media links. You can, as I said, do the status. You can see messages sent here. So this is all really cool. And you can export as well. So really helps you to keep track of what you are doing and what you are expecting. Deals that, didn't go through for whatever reason, you can delete those. You can see completed deals. So you can take advantage of that. You can also take advantage of the extra subscription where you can do more than the allotted messages in the subscription. So you can pay an extra, I believe it's $10, but it may change in the future, so don't quote me on that. But you can send more messages to brands if that's what you want to do. So again, if any of this excites you like it did me, my link is going to be below. My links are going to be below in the details description section of this video. If you have any questions or whatever comments, leave them below. But yes, this is going to change the game for you and save you so much time. And I think it will earn you some more money.